In this video, we will go over the wait workflow action. This allows you to pause the contact at a specific step in the workflow until a desired condition is met. So this useful tool is great for waiting for a tag, appointment, event, specific time, or a contact reply. So to get started, we're going to click on the plus icon here, type in wait, and then you can change your action name by typing it in this box here. And then you can select what you are waiting for. So clicking on this drop down, you can do time delay, event appoint time, overdue, condition, contact reply, trigger link clicked, or email event. So going into time delay, you can select a specific time by typing in an amount here. And then you can select this drop down to choose minutes, hours, or days. And then clicking open this advanced window, you can resume the workflow on specified days by toggling these on and off depending on how you'd like to set it up. And then you can resume your out between hours, either exact or a window, and then select your start from time and end time. You can also add additional filters by selecting current day of the month, current month, or current year. Selecting those, you can select from these drop downs again, is or is not, and then you can select month here. Going back up to wait for, going into event appointment time. So this allows you to wait until before or after a event or appointment time. This first drop down, you can select after, before, or exact time. With before and after, you can put in your months, days, hours, or minutes. With exact time, this will resume your workflow at the event or appointment time. And then if the timing of the wait step is already in the past, you can select to move to the next step, move to a specific step in the workflow. Toggling this, you can select a step from the drop down, or skip all outbound communication actions. Next, we have overdue. So this will wait until before or after an invoice due date. So here you can select again before or after and select your time. And then again, you have if your timing is already in the past, what would you like to do? In the CRM events, we have condition. So here you can wait for a particular condition to get satisfied, and you can select from the drop down contact details, and then this will say is or is not. You can add additional conditions or add segments by toggling these on. And then if you'd like to have a timeout, you can put a number in this box, and then this drop down, you can select either days, hours, or minutes. Next, we have contact reply. So here you can wait for a reply on certain steps. So if you're waiting for a reply, you can put in the step. So I have SMS and email, so that would appear here. And then your timeout, again, you can select a time and then choose days, hours, or minutes. If you're waiting for a trigger link to be clicked, you can choose this option here and then choose the specific trigger link in your drop down here. Again, you have your timeout option. And then our last one is email event. So this is going to wait for email events. You can pick an email step to wait for and then select your email event. You can click these options here. You can also select multiple. And then again, you have your timeout. So once you have all of this filled in to your preferences, click on the Save Action button, and then you'll see that appear in your workflow, and then just click on the Save button to save your workflow.